star. Last night before Mary went to bed, she saw the stars shining overhead. As she watched them twinkling there, Mary felt praying a short prayer. Thank you, God, for every star, though I can't see you shining clear. You're not far off, but very near. Who is the character of the poem? The character of the poem is Maria. What did she see overhead? She see the stars shining overhead. What time of the day did it happen? It happened last night. Where did that story happen? The story happened at the bed. To who did she thank? She thanked to God for every star. The ice cream vendor. Louis, the ice cream vendor, rings his bell as he passes by houses and schools. It's summertime. Want to taste the mango flavor, the avocado, the ube, and the chocolate flavor. Tiling, tiling! The ring of his cute bells makes children and adults rush to his ice cream cart. Who is the ice cream vendor? The ice cream vendor is Louis. What does Louis sell? Louis sell ice cream. When does ice cream sell best? Ice cream sell best on summertime. Where does the ice cream vendor pass ringing his bell? The ice cream vendor rings his bell as he passes by houses and schools. Who rushes to the vendor upon hearing the bell? The children and adults rushes to the vendor upon hearing the bell. What are the different flavors of the ice cream? The different flavors of the ice cream are mango flavor, the avocado, the ube, and the chocolate flavor. A rainy day. It was a rainy day. The children could not go out to play. So Marionette, Mary, and Miriam stayed in the house. Let us cut out paper fruits for our play store, said Miriam. So the girls got their paper, scissors, and crayons. Marionette cut out 5 apples. She colored them red. Mary cut out 6 mangoes. She colored them green. Then they counted their paper fruits. Now we have many pretty paper fruits for our play store, said Miriam. What are the 3 girls doing inside the house? The 3 girls stayed inside the house and cut out paper fruits. What do they wish to play? They wish to play paper fruits for play store. Who are these 3 girls? The Marionette, Mary, and Miriam. Where did it happen? It happened inside the house. Why it is that the girls couldn't not play outside? The girls couldn't play outside because it is a rainy day.